Punta tayo sa website ng PhilHealth, dito sa www.philhealth.gov.ph and click Online Services. Under Contribution, maglalagin lang tayo sa Electronic Premium Remittance System or EPRS using the PhilHealth Employer Number. Click Payment Management and then Payment Posting. Then dito sa right part, click lang natin and select Payment for Posting. Then ayan, lalabas na yung SPA for Payment and Posting and its corresponding details. Click lang natin yung green down arrow sa upper right part kung saan merong payment options. Next is select payment option. Meron naman ditong tatlong choices and ang pipiliin ko is yung collecting agent through bank. Select lang natin yung Union Bank of the Philippines dito sa accredited collecting agent since doon kami nagbayad. After entering receipt number and receipt date, review lang natin ulit yung information and then click submit. After a day, status changed from received to posted.